Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session. In today's video, we are going to learn about analytical ability questions. In my previous videos, we already covered all different reasoning related questions. And every question I already explained the whole concept. If you guys have missed those videos, go and watch. All the videos are available in my playlist. And if you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe and share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different examinations. Definitely our content will help you preparation, guys. So kindly like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the other people also. So without any delay, let's start the session. So here's the question. Rajesh in his printing press got an order to print some books, out of which he completed 17 by 27 of the order in 34 days. So, in how many days did he completed entire order of printing? So, try to understand the information. He got the order out of which he completed 17 by 27. 17 by 27 in 34 days. So, if he wants to complete the overall order, how many days does it take? How many days does it take? Now see, 17 by 27, it means if 27 is total units, out of 27, he completed in 17 units. That is the meaning of fraction. See, in any fraction, understand that denominator is all about the comparison and the numerator is all about the resultant. If you understand the fraction concept, you can able to solve any questions in percentage, profit and loss, or simple interest component test. So understand that 17 by 27 means if total is 27 units, out of 27 units, that person is completed only 17 units. For these 17 units, that guy takes 34 days. So for 27 units, how much time does it take? Just cross multiply them. So this is exactly 2 times 27 into 2 is equal to 54. See, understand the meaning of fraction. Denominator is all about the comparison, numerator is all about the resultant. Clear? So move on to that question number 2. An article is marked. So marked is all about market price. The market price is given as 450. And if it is sold at a discount of 40 percentage, then the selling price become 10 percentage more than its cost price. So you should identify that what is the cost price. Let's see, first of all, discount. So discount they given as 40 percentage. Discount is 40 percentage means it's a fraction of 2 by 5. 40 by 100 after cancellation, the resultant is 2 by 5. So discount is all about, see, discount is all about if market price is equal to 5 units, denominator, I told you now in previous slide, I told you denominator is all about the comparison. If market price is 5 units, then you got the discount of 2 units. Now, what is the selling price? Selling price is 3. It's all about the comparison. So, denominator is all about comparison. If you take market price is 5 units, then the resultant says that you got 2 units of discount. Then what is the selling price? 3 units. Same way, we have other information. If selling price becomes 10% is more than its cost price. Again, see 10% is more. You know that. See 10% is all about 1 by 10. Now see here the data they compared with the cost price. Let us compare the data. So cost price is 10 units. And the resultant says that 1 unit more. So 1 unit more means if the selling price is 11 units. Let's understand this information. See market price and the selling price ratio is 5 is to 3. In the same way, selling price and cost price ratio is 11 is to 10. So if you observe both the comparisons, selling price is the common parameter. If selling price is the common parameter, then you should equate those selling prices. How we are going to equate? You should multiply with 11 times, you should multiply with the 3 times. Now see, it become 55, it become 33. Same way, 33 is to 30. Is it clear? Now, just go through the ratio of market price, selling price, and cost price. So 55 is to 33 is to 30. Now go through the comparison. They mention that article market price is 550. Means if 55 units is equal to 550, then each unit is 10 rupees. Now same way, we have to identify that what is the cost price. So each and every value is multiplied with the 10 times, then the cost price is 3. So, is it clear? So you understand the comparison here? It's all about ratios concept. Yeah. Let's move on to the question number 3. It's all about data interpretation. Now the following table shows the marks out of 100 obtained by 5 students in 5 different subjects. And the respective subjects are maths, physics, chemistry, English, and physical education. And they given as different persons in the comparison: Tarun, Rohit, Mohit, Shobit, and Sumit. And they given as different marks in every subject. Now the question: who obtained 79% of marks all the subjects taken together? And they clearly mention the total 5 subjects, and each subject carries 100 marks. Now see, if each subject carries 100 marks, then 5 subjects maximum mark is 500. Now the person got 79%. 79% means 79% of 100. Just cancel. Now 9 into 5 is 45. 4 carry forward. 7 into 4 and total 395 we required in the count. And according to the option, let's take the Rohit data here. So here 60 plus 70, 130, 130 plus 80 is 210, 290 and 380. And move on to the other value. See, if you go through the sum, then value become more than 395. That's why definitely Rohit got more than 79%. Let's take the Tarun here. Again, see, 60 plus 80 is 140 plus 70 is 210, 290 and 380. Now go through the sum. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. Then the total value is 395. If Tarun got 395 out of 100, then the percentage exact value is 79%. That's why if all subject together, Tarun got 79%. It completely depends on speed calculation. Be faster in the calculation part. Guys, this is my Telegram channel. After my live channel, I will update all the PDF in my Telegram only. You can search at the rate of V2V VK. You can get my Telegram channel name as Vision to Victory. Or you can scan this QR code. You just scan this QR code, you will get my channel directly and go through the content. If you like, you can follow our channel and share with other friends also. Next, so let's go through this question from pipes and cistern. See, for time and work and pipes and system, remember this point. Efficiency is inversely proportional to time. Efficiency is all about per day work. Now, just go through the information here. Fill pipe B is 21 times faster than pipe Q. There are two pipes P and Q. And P is 21 times faster than Q. So this is all about efficiency. Means P delivered 21 units, Q delivered 1 unit. That's all about the efficiency. Now Q can fill the cistern in 110 minutes. Now we see what about the capacity. So Q delivered 1 unit and Q continuously deliver for 110 units. Means total capacity is 110 units. Now you got the total capacity. Find the time taken to fill the system and both pipes will be open together. Now the total capacity is 110 units. Now we are open both the taps P and Q. And we know that P delivered 21 units, Q delivered 1 unit. Both together is 22 units. 11 10 times, 11 2 times, it takes only 5 minutes. If you open both the pipes, it takes only 5 minutes to fill the system. Clear? Next. Move on to the question number 5. Again, it's all about the cross multiplication approach. Now, see, a grocer professes to sell a rice at a cost price. They mention that so whatever they're selling price is exactly equal to cost price. But the person is uses fake weight. Instead of 1 kg, that person uses 870 grams. So find the profit percentage. Definitely see if cost to price, selling price is same. Person reduces the weight. Definitely that person got profit. How much of profit they got? See, false weight is 870 out of 1 kg. We understand that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So instead of 1000 grams, that person is uses only 870. So how much profit he got? 130 units of profit got out of 870. That's all about the profit into 100. Now the see. So 1300 divided by 87. Now see 87 ones 87. So it means 43 is left. Now 87 is multiplied with means 430. We have to take 0. 7 fours 28, 8 fours 32. 32 plus 2 is equal to 348. So it's a 4 times again decimal. 348 means here 52 plus 30 is 82. 82 is left. Now again see we have to consider 0. We have a decimal now. You can consider 0. Now, if 87 into 10 is 87 into 10 is 870, so definitely it is 9 times. If you go through the option, it is 14.94% is the correct answer. Simple point. So here you cannot get profit through prices. They get the profit through weights only. Instead of 1 kg, that person uses 870. Then we understand that 130 grams of weight is a profit out of 870. Why? Because we have to compare with the present how much they are using. So instead of 1 kg, present value is 870. That's why 130 by 870 gives the exact answer. Clear? Next. How many 6-digit odd numbers? Odd numbers can be formed by using the digits 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and repetition is not allowed. We need a 6-digit number. 4, 5, 6. It's a 6-digit number. Now they clearly mention that it all the 6-digit number must be a odd number. If it is odd number, then the last position can be a 3, 5, 7, 9. You can place one of the number out of 4. So here 4 different possible cases. It's a 4 cases. Now total see, it's a 3, 3 and a 2. So total 8 numbers. Out of 8 numbers, we already used one number in last position. And you cannot put first 0. So you cannot give 0 as first possible. Why? Because if you take 0, it become a 5 digit. So out of 7, it is 0 included. You cannot give for the first position. That's why we have only 6 different possibilities. So you cannot include 0 for first case. Why? Because if you take 0, then it become a 5 digit. That's why 6 different. Now you can place 0 in second position. Again 6 different possibilities. That number should not repeat in other position. 5, 4 and a 3. Now 6 into 6 is 36. Now again 5 into 4, 20. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 2 is 240. 240. Now see, it says 0. So here 24 into 6. 24 into 6, 6 fours, 24. 6 twos, 144. 14 carry over. 24 into 3 is 72. 72 plus 14 is equal to 86. So answer 8640. One of the important model, permutation, combination, and probability. So out of these three topics, so you can expect either one or two questions. Next, again, question from the probability. Is options wrong? Now see, probability is all about favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. See, total how many balls? 15 balls are there. Out of 15 ball, we need 2 marbles. That's why total probability is out of 15, we have to take 2. And what about those 2 marbles? Those 2 marbles must be at least one blue. So at least one blue means, so we have to pick at least one blue. So it's 4C1 and remaining ball must be any one of the color. So any one of the color means we have 11 different possibility. Case number 1. At least is all about minimum to maximum. It means minimum one ball or both balls are blue is also favorable case. So remember that minimum to maximum you have to consider for at least. Now out of 4, again you can take both are blue. If both are blue, no need to take any other color. So that's all about at least case. So 4C1 is 4, 11C1 is 11. And 4C2, 4C2 is all about 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. So it's a 6. And 11C0 is equal to 11. So again denominator 15 into 14 divided by 2 is a 7. So finally 44 plus 66. So total favorable cases is 110 divided by 15 into 7. 15 into 7. So 5 exactly 22 times 5 3 times. So answer is 22 by 20. Give me a second. 44, 66, 110 divided by C. So 5 2s 10, 5 22s, 5 3s. Let me check once here. 411, 4C2, 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. So it's a 6 units. 11C0. Sorry guys. It's not 11C1. 11C0 is 1. So 44 means 50 divided by 105. 5 10 times, 5 21 times. Probability is 10 by 21. NC0 is 1, right? Sorry for this calculation. So total probability to pick 2 balls, at least one blue ball is 10 out of 21. 10 by 21 is the correct answer. Yes, this is my WhatsApp channel. You just scan this QR code. You can follow my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us either Telegram, WhatsApp, or Instagram. You can scan this QR code. You can get my channel V2V Launchpad. Next, question number 8. Now see 510 rupees. 510 rupees, we have to divide among ABC. A gets two-thirds of B. It means if B gets 3 units, A get 2. Remember that denominator is all about comparison. And B gets, again we have a comparison, B gets one-fourth of C. If C get 4 units, B must be 1 unit. Then observe that B is common parameter and B value must be equal. How we are going to equate? You should multiply with the 3 units. Then you get the ABC ratio. It's a 2 is to 3 is to 12. So no need to multiply anything here. 1 is multiplied with the 3. Same way, you should multiply 3 into 4 is 12 units. Now, if you go through the sum of all these numbers is 17 units. If 17 units is 510, then each unit is equal to 30 rupees. Now the question, what is their shares? So here, what is the A share? It's a 30. It's a 60 units here. It's a 90 units and 12 into 3 is 360. So this is the total distribution 510 as 60 rupees, 90 rupees and 360 according to the ratio. Next. And this is one of the previous year question. Now see, a candidate secured 30% in a class and failed by 27. Guys, a person is already got 30% and failed by 27. Another candidate secured 40% of marks and got 27 marks extra. So 40 marks he got extra 27 marks. Now see, if 30% become 40%, that is the reason minus 57 become plus 20, sorry, minus 27 become plus 27, right? It means here 10% score is exactly equal to 54. You should understand. See, it is increases 10%, then minus 27 become plus 27 means here 10% increases, then here for 54 units are increases. Another question, find the maximum mark. You already know that maximum mark is 100%. If 10% is 54, then 100% is equal to 540. 540 is the total score. For example, find the sum of maximum marks of that exam and passing percentage. Guys, we know that maximum mark. See, this is the maximum mark. If you want pass percentage, see, you already know that the person is already got 30 percentage. According to the percentage, he already got 30 percentage. But he failed by 27. Now 27 is what percentage of 540? Let's find. 0, 0 cancel. So 27 2 times 2 5 times. Means see, he already got 30 percentage, but he failed by 27 marks. 27 marks means that is equal to 5 percentage of score. Means a person is already got 30 percentage, he failed by 5 percentage. Then what is the pass percentage here? 35. Clear? Is it clear the concept? Person already got 30 percentage. You know that total maximum mark in the exam is 540. And that person is failed by 27. Then 27 is what percentage of 540? It's exactly 5 percentage. Means a person is already got 30 percentage and failed by 5 percentage. The person needs those 5 percentage of marks, right? That's why pass percentage is 35. So total marks is 540, pass percentage is 35%. Let's see this last question. Now understand that two items A and B were bought 1200 rupees each, means cost to price is same. Cost to price is same. Then A got profit and B got loss. See, A got profit. How much of profit here? 15%. So 15% is all about 15 by 100. So if you go through the simplification, it's a fraction of 3 by 20. In the same way, B got loss of 20%. So 20 by 100 is all about 1 by 5. Now in this information, cost to price is all about denominator, 20 units. Now, clearly mentioned that profit is 3 units. Then what about the selling price? Selling price is 23. Same way, they got loss of 1 by 5th. It means if cost to price is 5 units and the selling price, it's a loss of 1 unit. Resultant means numerator is all about the resultant. So out of 5, that person got 1 unit of loss. So it's a 4 units. And they clearly mention that in these data, cost to price is same, but you can see the different numbers, right? We have to equate it. So how we can equate it? You should multiply with the 4 units. You should multiply with 4 units. Now see, let's say 20 units, here 16 units. Another question, what is the net profit or loss percentage? Now observe here, total cost price. So total cost price is 20 plus 20 is equal to 40 units. Now what is the total selling price here? 23 plus 16 is equal to 39 rupees. So if you observe that, still it is a loss. So how much of loss? 1 unit out of 40. So 10 by 4 is all about 2.5 percentage of loss still. I'm not using any formula, guys. Understand the data, then we'll go with the calculation. But before solving this kind of question, you should understand the meaning of fraction. See, percentage of profit, denominator is cost to price. Numerator is a resultant. Resultant means in this question, they are talking about profit. That's why we are adding. In this information, they are talking about loss. That's why we have to subtract numerator from denominator. So once you understand that, no need to use SP minus CP by CP into 100. Those kind of formula doesn't require this kind of questions. So hope you understand the approach for every question. If you like, guys, kindly share with you this information with your friends also. And this is my Instagram channel. You can scan this QR code and you can check my content. If you like, just follow and share this information with your friends also. So kindly support our channel. Your support is much needed. So definitely we will come up with more number of videos in my upcoming session. And I just want to give one of the previous year question. Just try to solve and post your answer in the comment section. You just tell me which one is the missing, means which number should we place in this question mark. So one of the most important section, number puzzle, and each question carries 2.5 marks, guys. So we already completed one video related to the number puzzle. Just before exam, just go through that whole video. So in every question, I explain the approach for each and every question in the number puzzle. Go and watch and share this information with your friends also. So I hope you understand the session. Until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.